Looking for a beautifully renovated ground floor apartment that embodies modern luxury and timeless elegance? Prepare to be enchanted as we explore each meticulously crafted space, where thoughtful design merges seamlessly with contemporary convenience. From the moment you step aside, you'll be greeted by a sense of warmth and sophistication, inviting you to envision the endless possibilities of luxurious living. Hi, my name is Pamela Fernandez from Livingstone Estates, and today I have the absolute pleasure of touring you around this property within one of Estepona's most exclusive private urbanizations, Torre Bermeja. After many years selling properties in this complex and learning from our clients' needs, we've taken all internal feedbacks and applied it to create your dream home by the beach. This ground floor apartment, spanning 310 square meters built, has been meticulously refurbished, unveiling a redesigned layout that now boasts 4 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. Additionally, there's a separate guest toilet for added convenience. Embracing indoor-outdoor living, the property features a generous 115 square meters terrace, providing ample space for outdoor relaxation and entertainment. With a compelling asking price of €2,595,000, this residence offers the epitome of luxury living in every square meter. Kicking off, we encounter a spacious entryway that offers a glimpse of recurring design motifs found out throughout this property. Noticeable features include the LED lights adorning the ceiling, the expansive ceramic tiles, the raised radial flooring, and state-of-the-art home automation technology. Moving forward, we reach the first bedroom and the laundry area, and from here, you will discover a panoramic view of the functional open-floor layout. To optimize the square footage in both airflow and lighting, the kitchen and the living area have been merged into a practical and multifunctional space, perfectly synchronized with modern living. In this second room, we find an upholstered padded headboard wall, seamlessly integrated into the luxurious design, while the glass door complement the modern aesthetic, in addition to its own ensuite bathroom. This room offers access to the terrace, enhancing its appeal as a serene retreat within the home. And now onto the master bedroom, where we are greeted by these modern glass closet doors surrounding the entrance to the ensuite bathroom, with double sink, freestanding tub, and shower. What truly sets this room apart is its seamless connection to the terrace and the breathtaking surroundings. As noted earlier, this property boasts 4 bedrooms, offering ample space for customization to suit your lifestyle needs. Whether you envision a dedicated home office for remote work or a fun playroom for the kids, the options are truly limitless. Moving on, we have the kitchen, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying quality family time. Complete with a spacious 6-seater peninsula, this kitchen offers plenty of room for both meal preparation and casual dining. Crafted with bespoke furniture and high-end kitchen appliances, every detail has been carefully put together to elevate your living experience. From custom cabinetry to tailored seating options, the space exudes luxury and sophistication. The living area features a generously sized bespoke TV unit, thoughtfully designed to merge functionality with aesthetics, including plenty of shelves that offers opportunities for personalization, allowing you to infuse your unique style into the ambience. And because we live in Costa del Sol, we mostly spend our time outdoors. So from here, you can easily step outside and discover direct access to this covered part of the terrace, blending indoor and outdoor living, which takes me to the heart of this property, where comfort meets opulence. And last but certainly not the least, this terrace. Because this is a ground floor apartment strategically placed in a corner. It has this unique feature of a terrace that gracefully wraps around most of the house, offering breathtaking sea views from every perspective. With ample space for lodging, dining, and entertaining, this terrace is the epitome of alfresco living at its finest. Host lavish gatherings under the starlit sky or savor quiet moments of solitude surrounded by the serenity of nature. Whether you're soaking up the Costa del Sol's sun's rays, enjoying a homemade meal with loved ones, or simply taking in the Pinterest scenery, every moment on this terrace is a testament to luxury living. Before I end, I must mention that this complex also offers underground parking and storage room, tropical gardens, 24-hour security, 2 outdoor swimming pools, heated indoor swimming pool, 2 gymnasiums, sauna, and of course, direct access to promenade and beach. So if you would like to visit this property and also see the rest of the 5-star amenities this gorgeous house has to offer, do not hesitate to contact us at Livingstone Estates. Thank you.